channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. If you're new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So, do my braids with me. Products that I'm using is the Wonder Grow Jamaican Black Castor Oil Hair Grease for moisturizer, shine and sham to keep everything sleek and in place. You will need a mirror to see. I am using a red tooth comb for parting purposes. You will need a pair of scissors to cut the hair, and I'm old school, so I'll be using a lighter to seal the ends. So let's jump right into it. I've already gotten the back completed, you guys. FYI, this was 2 a.m. in the morning, you guys, and I was so exhausted. I probably should not have recorded, but it's just been so long since you guys have watched me braid my hair, so I just wanted to film. I did use a comb, the red tooth comb, to initially do the part, but I am going in with my fingers, parting the hairs that I'm going to braid, smaller sections. So that's what you guys see me doing here. So I'm getting this hair out the way so that I can focus on that piece that I still have out. I am going in with the Shine and Jam just to make sure that that hair doesn't fall back into the hairs that I want to braid right now. I am going in with the hair grease, the Shine and Jam, and I'm going to go up and down the strands of my hair. I just want to kind of get everything very smooth and ready to receive the installment of the braid. I am using a brown, and I am using a number 30, I believe it is. So just throughout my hair sporadically, I will mix the two colors, but I'm predominantly going in with the brown. I just wanted a little color for a little pizzazz, but I still got to make sure that I keep things professional for my daytime job. So just did not want to go with an outlandish, outrageous hair color for those reasons. So you guys, installing the hair to do braids, in my opinion, becomes simple over time. I do know that a lot of people have their own hand technique, the way that they hold their hands to install braids. I've tried it that way. My fingers just cannot wrap around that particular technique. So I just do what I do, and it works for me. The goal is, when you're installing braids, you just want to make sure that it's in there good, that you're not damaging your hair or scalp, and also that the braid is not going to slide off your hair, okay? I definitely want to get at max 3 months out of these braids, at minimum at least 2. So I'm going to just kind of go with at least 2 months. So here you guys can see that I do have a color blend. I didn't really just get down and dirty and really blend it like one typically would. I ain't got time for that. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I need to be done with this by 8 o'clock this morning, and I was. But again, just wanted just a little bit of color. I'm not tripping. I know some people got blending techniques that they use. I ain't trying to learn all that. For me, I just wanted a little color sporadically throughout my hair. Okay, but y'all do what y'all do. There are a lot of videos out there that shows you how to properly color blend these hairs that you want to install for braiding. Okay. Not going to get that from me, because right now I'm just not in the mood to even try to learn anything like that. Anyway, you guys, once I get to a certain length where I want the braid to stop, then I pretty much just tie it in a knot, and then I go in installing the next braid. After I have so many braids like that, then I will stop, and then I will go in and I will cut the loose hairs off, and then I'll go in with my lighter and seal the ends or burn the ends. Okay, that's just my process. Now FYI, this is not the type of video where I'm trying to teach you how to braid. If that's something that you want, let your girl know, because I don't know if you don't tell me. Anyway, you guys that are checking out this video, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Show me some support, because that definitely encourages me. Also, hit that bell's notification so that you can stay updated and alerted of new videos that are released for your entertainment. Okay, so back to it. I'm going in with the lighter and I'm sealing in the end. Now, the cons about using a lighter is going to burn your fingertips. It could hurt. Also, your hair will smell like fire or smell like it has been burned for about a week until the smell goes away. You do have the luxury of washing your hair. If you don't want any of those cons, then I do recommend that you use a flat iron to seal the ends of your braids. There are YouTube videos of young ladies doing that with their braids. I'm old school, so I ain't doing all that. The burn smell really don't bother me, because I know after a couple of days it will be gone. So here we are. I did mix a little color again, and I'm just going to go in and I'm going to install the braid and braid it down, as you guys can see here. Okay, and the same method, I get down to a certain length and then I tie the hair into a knot and I move on to the next one and continue the same process over and over and over again. Okay, that's what you're going to see. It's just the repetitive. Also, you guys, my parts are not going to be perfect. That don't bother me, because I'm not lifting these braids up. This is a short bob. These are the results. Now that bothers me because I see one I may need to kind of cut a little bit so it can blend in with the rest. But besides that, I think these braids look really, really, really good. And I will most certainly get up to 2 months out of these. I probably can push it for 3, but I get bored easily. So 2 months and it's time to do her over. That concludes today's video. Smooches.